When a tuna arrives packed like this in solid ice, you know the muscle quality is untouched. First step before any metal touches flesh is getting rid of lingering ice melt and sea residue. Clean surface keeps cuts surgical. Notice the yellow finlets along the spine. That's your indicator for absolute freshness. Vibrant color means minimum temperature fluctuation during transport. Severing the head requires finding the exact joint between vertebrae. If you hit bone, you dull the edge immediately. That head alone holds some of the rich collar meat, kama. We'll reserve that for high-heat searing later. The collar section comes off in one curved stroke using the spade blade. This minimizes tearing the surrounding fatty belly tissue. Any blood left around the main aorta will ruin the surrounding meat in minutes, so fresh water flushing is non-negotiable. Now for the main breakdown. We score along the spine first. The blade should ride directly on top of the dorsal bones without cutting into them. Listen to that glide. When your blade is angled right, you feel the rib tips like guitar frets under the steel. That rich ruby core is prime akami, transitioning into buttery chutaro near the edge. One side down, 3 loins to go. Once you get past that upper curve, you want the blade flat against the spinal structure. Clear cuts here save you pounds of usable fish down the line. Notice how we follow the natural seam along the ribs. That deep red along the middle is pure dark meat. The meat needs to come off clean to keep the taste pristine. Even a fraction of an inch of tough membrane ruins a smooth slice. A quick scoop removes residual blood spots before we move to final block cuts. Once the skin is off, we divide the main loin straight down into clean, manageable saku blocks. Uniform blocks are what give you those restaurant-quality slices every single time. Never saw back and forth. One smooth pull from heel to tip keeps the muscle fibers completely intact. Layer them against fresh shiso leaves on a bed of daikon radish for that classic presentation. Just a touch of fresh wasabi and dark soy. Melt in your mouth tender with zero fishiness. If you enjoyed watching this breakdown from start to finish, hit that like button, subscribe to Fishy Wonderland, and leave a comment below on what fish we should tackle next.